Hey guys, today we have some mystery box unboxing, which I'm so excited about. So I'm going to do these in separate videos, but the first one that I have is a Makeup Revolution one, and I got these from Glam Radar, so let's just jump into it. So this is how it comes here. It looks like this. Now I just want to see if they're still available. I can't really remember, to be honest. I only ordered them on Friday, so I'm hoping they'll still be available. Okay, yeah, awesome. So there's the Makeup Revolution one. It's $25 and apparently there's $80 of value in here. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is the Revolution Soft Radiance palette. It looks like this. I'm not going to open it up because I reckon I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. But you can kind of see the shades there on the back, if it'll focus. But yeah, it looks like just a neutral palette, which is super sweet. Oh, and you can see them on the front at the top there too. So yeah, there's that one. The next thing we have is the Shimmer Bomb Light Beam. What is this? Oh, it's a lip gloss, and that's really, really pretty. So it's like a super like silvery gloss with little shimmers in it. Super cute. Then we have the Mascara Revolution. I've had this before and I think I honestly did like it. I feel like I might have used it up. I can't really remember, but I know that I feel like that was pretty good. I can't remember exactly, but the next we have another eyeshadow palette, and this is the Flawless 3 Resurrection eyeshadow palette. So I'll open it up and show you. Oh my god, why is it so hard to get open? Okay, so that's the packaging there. Okay, and then that's how the palette looks on the outside. And then this is it inside. I'm not gonna lie, this gives me like something that you would buy like in the kids section. Like, don't get me wrong, it's got some nice colours and stuff like that. And I actually quite like Makeup Revolution eyeshadows, so hopefully the quality of these would be okay. But yeah, it's probably just not something that I would purchase willingly. And then, so the last thing that we have in here is the Integrity palette. Integrity Wild Animal palette. Remember a stage, like a couple of years ago when Makeup Revolution was like the thing? When they first came out, they had heaps of cool stuff. I haven't really seen something from them in a while that I've been incredibly wowed by. I still do really like some of their products. I think they have some really amazing products. Like one of my favourite concealers is by them. One of my favourite primers is by them. But yeah, it's like, I don't know, maybe I just haven't been looking enough. But yeah, I feel like none of their collections have wowed me lately. So anyway, so this is the packaging of this. And then that's quite cool, that packaging. I really like the blue. Like, I feel like that's a really cool touch. Okay, and so this is what this palette looks like. Once again, it's not really my cup of tea, but I feel like it's a cool range of shades. But yeah, probably once again not something that I would purchase willingly, but I do really like the outer packaging of that one. So that was everything we got in the mystery bag. So we're going to do a quick add up and see how much it all comes to. Okay, so first things first, the mascara is $18. The Shimmer Bomb is $10. So, I mean, we've already got our money back there because it was only $25 for this one. The Flawless 3 Resurrection palette is $18. The Wild Animal Integrity palette is also $18. The Soft Radiance palette is $16. So it literally gives us $80 exactly on value. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I'm not super impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the good thing about buying mystery boxes and stuff like that for me is that I can put everything in a giveaway that I'm not going to use. But if I bought this as a consumer, I'd be a little bit disappointed. But I know that that's the part of like a mystery box, is obviously you don't know what you're going to get. Like, I'm happy with these two, the Shimmer Bomb and the mascara, but just the 3 eyeshadow palettes that aren't particularly up my alley, I don't love. But yeah, that was everything that I got. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!